Welcome to watch today's fresh home. In a 1979 building, Clément Lesnoff-Rocard created an interior in pure white monochrome, rich in its materials, in a soft brutalism imbued with travel and freedom. Confides Clément Lesnoff-Rocard, founder of the eponymous agency in 2017, this dichotomy between a very 1970s DNA, but with a view as if suspended on the private mansions of the district is, for the architect, the first dynamic that he decides to work in order to stage the concrete and all the constituent construction elements of the era while playing on the suspended, aerial side of the apartment that he translates by a white monochrome. Because the owner is a collector of Asian art, she needs a space that can accommodate part of her collection, with a slightly flexible dimension in order to change the hanging arrangements.